Gamma.app website. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible website engine called Gamma.app. And this is a website that allows you to create AI powered PowerPoint presentations in the matter of seconds. You can create working PowerPoint presentations that you can refine and customize in under a minute using a powerful AI generator. Okay, you can turn into polished presentations in the point of one click, and you can engage users on any device whatsoever. No more manual PowerPoints are needed. Restyle your entire deck in just one click of a template. You have flexible templates to start you off so you don't have to start from scratch every time. And you can share online with publishing plus analytics for that presentation, which is a pretty cool feature to have along with you. Also, you can move over to create a lot more stunning presentations, and you can do it 10 times faster than usual. And the best part is that you can try it totally for free. So it's more visual than a document, more collaborative than a slide deck, and more interactive than a video. You can also go ahead and check out their pricings. They have a free plan. They have the plus plan, which is $8 per seat per month. And then you have the pro plan, which is $15 per seat per month. And obviously, if you want to go ahead and sign yourself up, you can go over to try for free and add in whatever email that you desire to add. Okay, just add it right over here, and it should sign you straight up with Gamma AI's wonderful privileges and features. So, yeah, that's Gamma and how you are going to use it for yourself. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.